Okay, good day, good day. I'm just doing a soundboard test thing because apparently that's a thing I always asked to do and I kind of forgot about it. So basically, I'll be just doing everything. I'll just be messing around with the soundboard and showing what it sounds like, I guess. So it has echo, which is pretty neat. This is on max. I think it sounds pretty epic. This is halfway. Yeah, about halfway here. I don't know how this sounds, but it's probably pretty cool. And this is like 1/4. Not as cool, but pretty cool if you want some cool echo. Yeah, there's a few. Well, volume's always all the way up because if you go down, it kind of just dies and then you can't hear anything. Don't know if anything of that. Yeah, that probably wasn't audible, but we'll find out later. So the sound effects are laughter, cheer, applause. What the fuck is that? Croak, Song 1, Shot, Spies, Debut, Kiss, Song 3, Song 2, Mada. I don't know what the fuck that means. But I will go through everything. I have the bass on max. Whatever this is. Record on minimum because I don't think I need that. Treble is max as well because that's apparently a thing I like to do. But I'll probably put it down a bit now so I can test. Because I never tested, I just put everything on max for the first time and kept it there. I would recommend testing which sounds best with your voice if you're using a microphone, I guess. Because it can be used just as a normal soundboard, I guess. If you want. But I don't know. So we're going to start with laughter. Okay, I don't know how long that. I don't know if it's still playing, but I can't even hear anybody, so now cheer. I'm going to wait 5 seconds per thing. And applause. And croak. Song 1.
Come baby, come baby, come baby, darling, come baby.
Shot. The Mada, Maada.
Mamata.
What's here? Spies. Song 2. Debut.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Some rock says, can you feel it?
Hey, yeah, I know that you like me. No way, no, it's not a secret. Hey, yeah, I want to be your girlfriend.
Kiss. There are hold on. There are a bunch of red ones above it, which I don't know what they do, but I will push one now, which is out of electronic inflection, the orc sound, shockwave, MC, and dodge or doge. So I'll just play what is it? I'll do shockwave. Okay, I have no clue what that sounded like, but I'm going to say it sounded epic. So yeah, that was the sound test for that one person who wanted to know. I'm sorry I'm a bit late to this, but yeah, here we go. Yeah, cool. Adios. Like, subscribe, eat smegs. Goodbye.